It's spring in the great deciduous forests of home. Every bit of the landscape is wrapped in a vibrant, fresh green, and its creatures awaken, fully charged. As an old maverick flies above the rich forest, every ion in his body tells him the air is heavy with female energy. It's time to get busy mating. He spots a female as she gracefully dances around the forest pool, almost as light as air. She's no bigger than your hand, but all of his senses tell him she's his equal. A few signals of encouragement are required. He clears a space above the water. It's time for his grand performance. Something's wrong. He seems to have a rival at the worst possible moment. A junior racer with an unrivaled acrobat-like performance and high rotation skills. But it seems he also needs to do more. For the female, the moment is gone and it's time to return to home. It's hard not to feel discharged when even your best is not good enough. What does he have to do to really impress her? The ground is no place for a maverick drone, and sitting on top of the world, he realizes he has something the competition lacks completely. Let's have another go. This female is too important to give up. Rather than driving him away, Old Maverick has other intentions. Seduction. Juvenile male racers display a tendency toward copied behavior, so he grabs the opportunity. Like gladiators, the males square up for battle. The rules are simple. Winner takes all. If you're going to fall here, you may not survive. Junior doesn't know what to do next, so he exits. While Old Maverick climbs higher and higher. The higher he can get, the more the female is attracted to the male. It's an only mesmerizing display. But oh dear, traded in for a younger model. Nature is cruel that way. Sometimes life takes you on a different path, whether you're flying duo or solo.